focus. AI tools are becoming more and more available, so we can speak about the first trend is democratization of AI tools, and this is like very true. AI tools are becoming available, even free. The key tools are like ChatGPT, Gemini are absolutely free and very easy to use. So the second one, and I guess I see here the biggest potential for business is hyper-personalization of um, customer experience. So if we connect AI to our CRM databases and to story of communication or story of orders, AI could make really miracles because it can read very quickly information about your client's story, your user's story, previous inquiries a lot, and provide not only personalized like calling you by name, but provide you a personalized experience, even sometimes using your language, the style of your language, to be with you on the same page. So this is like a new era of customer experience, and here AI is like we see here the biggest potential and just the way to think where it could be applicable. Speaking about revolution in creative and industries, I will share with you some tools today, but you might see the ads and campaigns a lot. That now, if before we needed to hire a motion designer, video designer to create a video, now we have got a lot of tools that can create for us a video, even a movie of 3, 5, 10 minutes, just according to your prompt. So you are just writing a prompt like a scenario, and you get a very great creativity. So this is that makes a revolution not only in the time, the speed up of delivery of this creative, but it means that we will need new skills. We will need more skills in searching these new tools and to select the best ones. And I will share with you and show how these tools are working with it according to different tasks. So yeah, this is the kind of revolution, and now every one of us could become a video designer, image designer, whatever. Ethical challenges and regulations. So as AI tools are coming more and more popular, of course, these two questions are arising like very frequently, and this is fair actually, because the question how, for instance, how using of my photo or video and creating with them my avatar or creating voiceover or at all, it requires like a separate solution, and people are actually worrying about it. So they're asking, if I'm uploading my photo, so how can I be sure that nobody is using it? So, and that requires different separate regulations. Some of AI tools are already implementing these regulations into their platforms. For instance, to make your own avatar on Heijian, you have to you have to upload your own photo, and then to give a consent in your video recording, that you give a consent of creating and using your avatar. So they are trying like to implement that, and in on our platform we use this with cloned voice, and you have to give your consent and accept the responsibility of cloning the voice, and just avoiding and preventing you from malicious actions. And of course, about regulations, the first was EU countries, European Union. In 2023, in July, they accepted the EU AI Act, and now a lot of countries are like trying to adjust the legislation of this act, and I guess that the next year this area will be more and more regulated. Accelerating scientific and insights discovery. And if you are not like working in manufacturing or scientific discovery, maybe the second part would be more interesting for you. In terms of insight discovery, it will be a rocket jump, because if before that you would need to hire a business analyst, which the person which is quite expensive, has a lot of knowledge, experience to see a lot of insights from your pile of numbers. Now AI agents are like perfectly working with that. They can do that very easily without any kind of delay. So just wait 5 minutes and you are getting like a very very good insights and asking extra questions from a pile of data. So that would be very useful for business. AI and human collaboration. So we are coming up not to the era when we are talking about, oh, AI will replace a real human. No, still not, guys. But yeah, now we see more and more the question when uh, for instance, I have 3 people in my sales department, and I have a budget to hire the fourth one, or I could spend the same budget for hiring for them an AI agent. And of course, I would give them a power to hire for them an AI tool, like to buy an AI tool for them and pay for it monthly, for them to provide them more insights and to be more effective and to do instead of them routine work. So that would be a good option, and people should be willing to collaborate with AI, use AI, apply AI, collaborate with AI, and should be willing that, okay, we have 2 salespeople and 2 AI tools like to close our sales tasks within the company. AI automation. So this is like a must trend for 2025. All the processes that you could automate with AI, please do, because you would save a lot of time for thinking processes, for making right decision, for working with people at all. Now AI, for instance, can freely outreach your prospects, reply for messages, set up tasks for you. If we're speaking about sales, like to move from one stage to another. Another one tool, my very favorite, is like when we are adding to our meetings different note takers that are recording all our conversation and make a wrap up. And it saves a lot of time of our product managers rather than to write and wrap up in email. It's like they can focus on another stuff. And the next trend, which is more important, niche AI tools. So it means that a lot of tools are still based on ChatGPT, on Gemini, on all other technologies that are available. But it would be specially trained for your industry. It would be specially trained according to your needs, and it would be much easier for you not rather to use like from the beginning ChatGPT, but to apply this tool, which has trained models, which has its own prompts, everything, and maybe some given extra valued features. And you would be able to use that just applicable to your niche.